It should stick now.
Full lock way too.
Whoop. There we go. All right, we end at 3. So we have, on the front of our X-Mark, we already have a hitch for that Cartmate thing, right?
Yeah, is it made by the same company?
The company that makes the hitch for that makes this plow. So
yeah,
we
so,
can use that
so
hitch.
that's what it basically, they said kind of just put it in your hitch and then kind of bolt it on from there just because it kind of holds it up for you, otherwise just
that hitch
struggle.
that's on the X-Mark though has to be straightened out. It's got a little kitty wampus from too much weight.
You and your testing of how much wood you can haul with it at one point in time.
Right, yeah.
Heard it like a boat.
So some of you guys may have seen it, but a while ago I made a video on a company that had made their own homemade leaf bulldozer. And I started to do a little bit of research and I found out that a company called D-Attach actually manufactures one specifically for a mower. So I had to get one to test it out. And I did learn quite a few things about these things that I had no clue about. But let's just get into this. Well, shoot, Zach. We don't have to go very far to try it. We get all these leaves right in front of the door. Let's give it a go there. So in the beginning, I just wasn't impressed. I just couldn't really get it to scrape. But that's because I'm a dirt worker. I'm a dude that's used to bulldozers. I'm used to skid loaders. I'm used to being able to control the scrape. And this is nothing like what I'm used to. It's designed for turf. It's designed not to scrape the surface off. It's designed to gently pick the leaves out of the surface and carry them along, not grind them out like a dozer. And the leaves I'm dealing with in the street are froze to the ground because we've already had snow. Huh. This video would have been a lot easier this time last week when there wasn't 6 inches of snow came down over the weekend, right?
No, yeah. Perfect, but yeah.
Well, we want to see how it works, so let's get a pile.
Yeah.
So if we pull these up, let's go into transport mode. So we want to drive across the site, then we can pick it up, lean it forward, and that's it. Now you're ready to go. So the actual cutting edge on this thing is rubber flaps, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's all they have for a cutting edge.
Here, let's see it run.
Okay.
So if we're looking at this thing, Zach, you see that flap on the back?
Yeah.
It's set right now for like the driveway to do a perfect squeegee on a hard surface.
On a hard surface, that's what I adjusted it to. But I think I was kind of playing with it. I was adjusting one side to the one, but it almost seemed like it was still too high. But I didn't really take into account of the grass, having the leaves sitting on top of that grass, sitting up about probably that inch or so what it should be. Not, the leaves aren't packed down to the ground; they're floating down the surface.
And these are froze to the ground. So do you want to go higher with it?
It just adjusted the wheels so that way the squeegee edge is up and kind of gliding across it, not down when it, like you would have for a plow.
It comes with, we got the bracket. We just reused our bracket, but it comes with the actually the company that makes the leaf plow makes the bracket as well. And then we'll show these. So you take the springs off to adjust it. You're gonna put it in transport mode?
Yeah, it's just easier that way.
Yeah.
Otherwise you gotta probably pull the whole thing off and
Yep.
whatnot.
And then you're just gonna adjust the wheels down one notch, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. And this is all aluminum. She ain't going
your
nowhere.
magnet mount doesn't attach to it, so.
No, it'll attach to the other parts.
It'll attach to all the metal.
Let's give it the go. You think she's gonna just dig right in, huh? Drop her down.
Well, she'll probably dig as far as the bar settings will let it.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go, okay, so what I was saying is there are wheels on the back of this plow, and they are designed to allow you to adjust this plow up and down depending on what mower you have it attached to and what conditions you're working in. The idea is you don't want to rip the top of the grass off someone's yard. You just want to remove the leaves. That's how you make a pile of leaves disappear really fast. This is an Exmark 48-inch, Exmark Stars 48-inch mower. It's a smaller mower, and some of you guys may be wondering, well, how does a smaller mower handle something like this? Because some of you got bigger mowers, it's gonna handle it better. We're gonna take this through the woods, and we're just gonna run an obstacle course in there, just zigzagging back and forth between the trees. We're gonna pop you up front and let you go along for the ride and let you guys judge for yourselves exactly how this thing handles. So let's fire this up. Okay, here we go. just like every plow we've ever used. Also not that light that it'll just ride up and over the mowers, but leaves. That's where the down pressure comes in. All right, you guys, I know I've thrown a lot at you today, but we had a lot of fun, and I hope you had a lot of fun too. I'll tell you right now, I always have fun hanging out with you guys. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but I look forward to just reading your comments. I look forward to just talking with you guys down below. So if there's anything else you want to know about this thing, let me know. The good folks at Detach did send me this. I did not pay for this unit, but you can go check them out at detach.com. And even though I did not pay for the unit and they did send it to me, I will never alter what you guys see in any way, shape, or form to make a company look better or worse than they actually are. My goal is to discover a product, to learn it as we go, and then to hopefully figure out how to use it to its best advantage before we're done with the video. Sometimes I pull that off, sometimes I learn more after the fact, and sometimes I have to do a follow-up video to show you what I learned. But that's the process and the mind frame that goes into everything I produce for you guys. God bless you guys. Go get them. See you on the next one.